Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. You are only responsible for your half of the relationship. There are two halves in every relationship, but you're only responsible for your half. It is not up to you to control the other half. Respect the other half, and there is always going to be peace in that relationship. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 48, NASDAQ up 19, S&P's up 550, gold contract down $1.80, trading at $1,213 an ounce, silver flat at $16 an ounce, platinum down 12 bucks at $9.58 an ounce, copper $2.07 a pound, the light sweet crude flat $48.96. Now that's after the OPEC meeting said status quo, oil goes down a buck, rejects lower price, goes right back topside. This $50 area, folks, it looks like it's going to be challenged, and we'll see whether it gets taken out. Notes, the 10-year note up 12 ticks, 129.29. 30-year bond up a full point, 8 ticks, 164.25. Now both the notes and the bonds, they rejected lower price on Tuesday. They had lighter volume. What they were going into on Tuesday was the prior Wednesday, and that's when the Fed meeting minutes come out, and they were basically bullish that the rates would go up. That being said, notes and bonds go down. As they go down, rates go up. Guess what? It's clawed its way all the way back topside. Regardless of what the Fed wants to do, rates are going down. King dollar. King dollar up 114 ticks, 95.57. The euro is trading at $1.11, and the yen is trading at $1.08. Phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so your SPY, folks, is up 64 cents. You're at $210.91, and guess what? $210.92 is the high of April. This baby's going to get taken out. So what you have is that you got higher today. It's at the April high, bottom line. Now this is what's going to be pretty wild here, is that the SPY can be an ABC structure on the way up. And if in fact it is an ABC, and we'll know tomorrow because it's going to go after the B point tomorrow, well, actually, no. Look, oh, this is interesting. So this is going to get complex, man. It actually did it today. It's over the 210.69, and you have lighter volume. So, you know, right now it's not an ABC up. But if we get volume tomorrow of over 109 million, then that is saying that you not only are going to go after and take out this April high, that would be saying you're going to go after and take out the May high of 2015. Dow Industrials. What do you got with the Dow Industrials? Dow set up to go up into the April high right now. So right now it's 17,838, and we'll see what kind of volume we get up at this 17,831 number. NDX 100. Now all of this is taking place, and then tomorrow we have the jobs number and the GDP. So the market's waiting for this, but the way the market is pushing into these highs, folks, bottom line, it says it's going to take them out. The highs I'm talking about now are the April highs. NDX 100. NDX 100, we're at $110.58. The 111.44 is game. And what you also have with the NDX 100, that very well can be a small ABC structure on the way up also. And if it is, then 115 is game. Now, if we go over to the small caps, no doubt, are ones that gave us the heads up yesterday because it took out its April swing yesterday, had the juice behind the move. Right now, the IWM is at 116.67. That wants to go to 120. We actually take it, that's the ETF structure for the index. We go to the index. The index is at 1169. The April high was 1155. So we're already 10 points over that. We pull this index up. This gets really wild because the small cap index, the next move up here is 1205. So you're talking about another, 35 points in the small caps. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold needs a bid. What we have out here, and I suspect tomorrow is going to be really wild. Gold out here today, $1,213. Gold had come down on Tuesday, rejected the 1,200 area where it broke out from. That's when we broke out on the 11th of February, went from 1,200 to 1,263. Needs to catch a bid. That's the real bottom line. Silver, same setup in silver. What you have with silver, they both had sideways moves out here today. The gold contract is in better shape than the silver contract. But bottom line is that, at this point, silver also rejected the $16 area, but it can't get away from it. The longer it stays into that area, well, it's only been there 3 days, but bottom line, the longer it stays into that area, the higher risk that it will get into the lower trading range. Now, let's go to the note market. So what we have with the note market is this. We go to the 10-year notes. We're at 129.30. Now, this is still at its highs, and what we had done on Tuesday, we tested the lows of May 18th, rejected the price, and, right now, this looks like it's going to go right back to 130.10. Now, if that's the case, that would say that the jobs number is going to be weak tomorrow, and the market and our perceptions of what's going to happen with the interest rate structure would jump from an interest rate structure that may go up in June and push it off. What has happened out here today is this, is that the Fed fund futures rates have gone up dramatically. And what this is, folks, this is a trading mechanism as to what traders are betting on and putting money behind as to when the rate structure is going to go higher. Right now, the June rate, the June hike, which is June 15th, it's only 22% chance. The July is a 54% chance. Now, July didn't move. July was 54 the last few days, and June was 22. What has moved dramatically today is September is 61%. That went way high. November, 64%. December, 75%. And next February, 78%. So the perception of the marketplace that rates are going to move has gone up dramatically. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, still can't handle higher price. Bottom line, we're up 109 ticks. You're at 95.57. Bottom line, the 95.85 area, each and every time it's up there, it's having problems. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.